Boys and girls? Oh, thank you. I didn't even have to raise my hand. Thank you so much for getting quiet when you heard me speak. First of all, I want to thank you all for coming to the cafeteria on such short notice, but our superintendent of schools would like to speak to you about something that's very important and very dear to his heart. So would you please give a warm welcome to Dr. Newman, our school superintendent.
Thank you, Ms. Sidnab. Well, good afternoon. It is so great to see you all today. I know it's a Monday afternoon and we've had a long weekend, but I can tell you all have been hard at work today. And I know it's a short week because we've got Thanksgiving coming up this week, don't we? Yeah. So I want you to remember to think about all the good things that you are blessed with and that you're thankful for this week when you're not at school, okay? So that's the first thing I wanted to tell you is to enjoy time with your families and just think about all those wonderful things that we're thankful for, even our little brothers and sisters, okay? Can we do that? All right, great. Now, what I wanted to come talk to you about, and what I'm so excited about, is reading and reading books. And this school, my understanding, has done an incredible job at getting prepared for reading books. Not only reading books just to read, but also I believe there's some sort of challenge that has gone on this year about we have different groups of people that are competing against each other. Do y'all know about those different groups of people that are competing against each other? So I just heard, I'm not positive about this or not, but I understand that there might be some Carolina fans that read. Raise your hand. And I understand there might be some Clemson fans now, I'm not telling you what side that we need to be choosing for. I want you to disregard the tie that I'm wearing today. But what's most important is that you did read. And that you read because you wanted to and that you enjoy it. My understanding is we've had almost 110 students complete 6 books or more this school year. That deserves a round of applause. So that is so awesome. It's so special to me. That's why I'm here today. That I wanted to give time to take you out of class to tell you how proud I am of you. And what a great job you've done, and how all the adults here are so proud of you. And you need to hear that. You need to know how special that was to all of us that you took that so seriously and you read all those books. So that's the main thing I wanted to stop by and say today, along with Happy Thanksgiving. But again, I think we're going to hear a little bit more about the reading program. And at this point in time, I will turn it back over to the school. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Newman. And I cannot take all the credit for the outstanding job we do here with reading. We have an excellent ELA department, and part of the heart of that ELA department is Ms. Bullware, our literacy coach. So let's give it up to Ms. Bullware.
Thank you, guys. I just want to share 2 new initiatives, reading initiatives that we're going to start at the beginning of the next year. And one of them is at the school level, and the other is at the district level. The school level, we're going to partner with St. James United Methodist Church to have reading missionaries come in and help our 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade students. The other is at the district level that I'm coordinating now with Ms. Natisha Taylor, who is the English Language Arts and Social Studies Coordinator for the district. So those are 2 new exciting things that we have gotten going on here at Brunson-Dargan that's going to start at the beginning of the new year, so that we all know that Darlington County School District never, ever drops the ball on reading.
That's right. That's
right. All right?
Give it up to Ms. Bullware.
Hold the bookmobile. I've got to stop for a second. This is incredibly important. Are you sure?
I'm sure, I'm positive.
All right. So here we go. I have Darren McPhail of Gamecock Athletics is here with a special guest and a big announcement.
How's everybody doing? Awesome! All right, I brought Cocky all the way from Columbia, so you'll have to forgive. He's got a little bit of energy to work off. We had a detour, a bridge was out somewhere, and so he's pretty excited. So he does run around. I don't know, it looks like somebody's probably going to have to pay a fine for him, because he has been running, but so hopefully we can work that out.
Go for it. I got you.
All right, so all right, Cocky, you have to hold it for a second. So my name is Darren McPhail. I work in the athletic department at South Carolina. I heard Dr. Newman earlier with his introduction. You were talking a lot about the Read Your Way to the Big Game promotion, reading contest. So that's a reading contest that yearly is put on as a partnership between University of South Carolina and our rivals to the upstate, Clemson. And of course, the responses earlier, the crowd seemed kind of mixed, but I feel confident there are more Gamecock fans here. At least that's what Cocky and I thought. All right, so as I said earlier, I know you were talking about, and everybody knows about the Read Your Way to the Big Game promotion. So it took place all across the state of South Carolina. There were elementary school kids just like yourself all across the state that were part of the reading contest. And I meant to mention earlier, thanks to the South Carolina Department of Education, we couldn't put on this competition yearly without them. But we're here today because we've got a pretty exciting announcement to make. Cocky was telling me about it earlier.
Jada.
All right, I think I've got that. So, one more. Sorry, it takes me a little while to understand Cocky. It's a different kind of language. All right, so out of all the kids that participated all across the state, we have a winner here at Brunson Elementary. So now I know why Cocky was so anxious to get here. Clearly it's a big announcement. So everybody's probably tired of me kind of delaying. They want me to get to it. All right, so do we have a Tristan Flynn? All right, Tristan, you're our Gamecock winner. So from all the contestants, all the students throughout the state, you're our winner for South Carolina. So, Cocky brought a jersey for you as well. And then Tristan, one more thing. We've got a letter from Coach Muschamp So he could not be here. We're practicing. We've got a little bit of work to do for Saturday, but I'll read it really quickly. So, dear Tristan, congratulations on being chosen as the University of South Carolina winner of the Read Your Way to the Big Game contest. You have proven yourself to be a champion reader as well as a strong supporter of Gamecock football. I encourage you to always strive for success and believe in yourself. Reading is an important indicator of academic and lifelong success, and you have proven you have what it takes to be part of a winning team. So on behalf of the South Carolina Department of Education and University of South Carolina Athletics, congratulations, go Gamecocks, and keep reading. Oh, and one thing, sorry, it dawned on me, and after this I'll quit talking because I know you're tired of hearing from me. But anyway, we forgot to tell you that Tristan is coming to the football game Saturday to cheer on the Gamecocks.
I do have a special request while Cocky is here. Dr. Newman, the students of Brunson-Dargan would like to have a picture of you alone with Cocky. Yes! Yes! Put Gamecock all over this man, please. Yes! Yes!
They got he's a pencil. You know that though. That's why he's a pencil. He's a pencil fan.
On behalf of, well, wait a minute, your parents are here too, aren't they? Where's Mom and Dad? Wait, Mom and Dad, come on up here and get a picture with Cocky. Everybody give it up for Mom and Dad. I'm jealous, because I'm not going to the game this year. Didn't I say this is Gamecock country, everybody? Oh, Grandma's here too. Grandma, if it wasn't for you, Grandma, you'd be
Mama's got it. Stop biting your finger like that.
Now, first of all, I would like to thank Miss Audrey Childers and Mr. Chris for helping us coordinate all of this for today. Let's give it up for District Office. I would also like to thank the University of South Carolina for coming here today, and to Cocky, my special friend. Now, boys and girls. Awesome. 2-4. Yeah, give it up for Tristan, everybody. Now, before we leave, I would like to remind each and every one of you that just like Tristan participated and he won, you can be a winner too. Okay? You're already winners because you read. And you read without us telling you to. But see, sometimes extra special things happen. So when you have an opportunity to participate in something like this, give it your all. Do the very best you can because you never know. You too could be the winner in the whole state of South Carolina. It was Tristan today. It could be you tomorrow. Dr. Newman, do you have any final words?
Now, you know it's not often that you find me standing next to my Gamecock friend. But this just goes to show you that with all of our differences, we care about you. And that's why we're here, is because of you and what you've done. So thank you for what you've done. And again, whether you're a Gamecock fan or a Tiger fan, we are all together in supporting you, and you have a wonderful Thanksgiving.
At this time, I'm sorry, there's one more announcement, and then we'll begin with dismissal back to class with third grade.
In all of this, we need to recognize his teacher, Miss Natalie Pygott. Ms. Because everybody, I want you to know that I push this out every year. I'm sorry, everybody, let me have your attention real quick, and I'm gonna let you go. Is that I push this every year, and I know the teachers get tired of me. I send out emails umpteen times for them to upload their spreadsheets, and this time it paid off. Yeah. And this also connects with the vision for Darlington County in that we have the community involved, understand the students, using technology, and weathering the storm. Okay, I want to thank you, Ms. Pygott, and I thank everybody that came out today, Darlington County School District, District Office, my family at BDE, and this is momentous